So I'll be updating the players as you select. And once a particular owner has selected a particular player, you can't select that particular player in your team.
Yeah, yeah. And what's the maximum number? 18,
Yes,
18 overall, right?
yes, 11 Indians and 7 overseas.
Okay.
So let's start with round one. So the first lucky guy or the lucky owner to pick the
sorry. I'm so sorry to interrupt you. क्या squad size क्या है?
squad size is 18, 11 Indians and 7 overseas.
Yeah, 11 and 7. Okay.
Right. So let's start. So the first lucky guy to pick the first player of today's auction is Yatharth, and it's exactly 9 p.m.
So my first player is Rishabh Pant.
So the first player to get sold is Rishabh Pant to Yatharth. So now we still have two iconic Indian players left, and the second owner in this round one is Romit. Romit, your first pick.
Rohit Sharma.
Oh, so Virat Kohli is still left. So let's see who gets Virat. So the third owner in round one is Ashish. So Ashish, your first pick.
Virat Kohli.
Oh, so Virat Kohli is sold. Virat Kohli is sold, guys. So we are still waiting for the first overseas player to get sold. And now we are moving to fourth owner in round one, and that's Vaibhav. So Vaibhav, your first pick.
It's current IPL captain, right?
No, your first player can be anyone.
Oh. Okay. And also just one thing, क्या उनका medical condition क्या रखना है at their prime, peak या current condition कैसा है?
Current form.
अच्छा current form. फिर Bumrah.
Cool. So now we have a different strategy. So this is great. So now the fifth owner, round one, is Anuj. Anuj, your first pick.
Hardik Pandya.
Man, Anuj is going for all-rounders. Let's see, do we have more all-rounders of this caliber or not? So number 6 in round one is Sanjay. Sanjay, your first pick.
I will go for KL Rahul.
Nice choice. So another young wicketkeeper, Indian wicketkeeper batsman. He's sold. So now owners are going for wicketkeepers. So let's see. Varun, now it's your turn and you can pick your guy.
Come on, you know it. Just put it down. Let's go.
So tell the viewers the name of the guy.
David Warner. Come on. Put it down.
So the first overseas player to get sold in this auction is David Warner. So now our 8th position, round one is Naman. So Naman, your first choice.
Jofra Archer.
Man. So we have a different strategy. Naman is going with a totally different strategy. So let's see. 9th position, round one, Nikhil. Nikhil, your first choice.
AB de Villiers.
So looks like ABD is going to blaze all the guns for Nikhil. So the last, so probably in this particular round, Rivanshu, your first pick.
So I'll go for Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Great.
All-rounders. Let's see. So there are some guys who are going with batting dominating strategy, some going with bowling dominating strategy. Now let's move on to round two quickly. So this time, Vaibhav is starting. So Vaibhav, your first choice.
Surya Kumar Yadav.
Come on, yaar.
Looks like Vaibhav is building a Mumbai Indians here. Now let's move to Ashish. Ashish, your second choice.
Kane Williamson.
Man, Virat Kohli and Kane Williamson in the same team. Calmness and
आशीष को ज्यादा पैसे लगते हैं आशीष भाई क्यों सीएसके वाला पसंद नहीं होता बैट्समैन
Like Paji.
बॉस
it's going to
Bolo,
be
bolo.
difficult to pick the captain. It's going to be difficult to pick the captain here. Now, third number for round 2, Nikhil, your second choice.
Well, my second choice would be Andre Russell.
Oh
Come on,
man, this is looking like a team to beat. AB de Villiers and Andre Russell in same team.
This is going good.
Round 2, fourth rank. Anuj, your second choice.
Rashid Khan.
Oh,
वाह वे वाह अफगानी बिरयानी खाओगा अनुज
Anji.
It looks like he has got the best spinner and one of the best Indian all-rounders.
Yeah.
Now let's move on to Sanjay. Sanjay, your second choice.
Glenn Maxwell.
Oh,
Great.
बैंगलोर पसंद
this looks like a Punjab. This looks like Kings 11 Punjab 2020 season. So let's see. Devanshu, your second choice.
I'll go with. It's very surprising. Nobody has picked him yet. Shikhar Dhawan.
Oh, all lefties here. So now Yatharth, it's your turn to pick your second choice.
Pollard.
Byron.
Romesh is disappointed.
come on, Ganesh, why man?
Vaibhav will
भाई रोमित को मुंबई इंडियंस के बहुत कम प्लेयर्स मिलने वाले हैं.
Now Romit, it's
रोमिट रिवेस्टिंग सिंह लाइक करता फिर मुंबई प्लेयर्स नहीं सिलेक्ट करूंगा
yeah. Romit, your second choice.
Trent Bolt.
Oh,
वाह
there's a mini.
अरे यार रोमित मैं लेने वाला था बोलते यार.
Varun, it's your turn now to pick your second choice.
Yeah, that's for ruining my all-round choice. But I'm going to go with the Prithvi Shaw.
Oh,
No, yaar. Arun. Come on.
कॉफ सिरप चाहिए यार I need some coffee.
it looks like Varun got his opening combination sorted. Now let's move to Naman. Naman, your second choice.
Shreyas Iyer.
Oh, nice choice. Now let's move to round 3. So Anuj is starting round 3. Anuj, your third choice.
MS Dhoni.
यार
Interesting that MS Dhoni got picked in. round
Paji, I'll take Unadkat.
yeah.
I'm assuring you.
That wins. I'm commissioner. Remember, I am the commissioner. This have to be validated. Somebody has to play 14 crore for Devon Hadkat.
So Romit, it's your turn. Are you going with Unadkat?
No, I'll take Mohammad Rizwan.
मोहम्मद रिजवान. ओ अच्छा.
Nice.
अरे यार नाइस यार.
Nice choice. First Pakistani player. So now let's move on to Vaibhav. Vaibhav, your third choice.
Yeah, Sanju.
Wow.
Gonna be Sanju.
Nice one, bhai.
So this looks like a team where Vaibhav is going with Indian dominating strategy. So far, he has not acquired any overseas player. So let's see. So now next is Nikhil. Nikhil, your third choice.
Devdutt Padikkal.
Oh, shit.
The first Indian player for Nikhil, and it's a brilliant choice. So now let's move to Naman. Naman, your third choice.
Butler.
Hey, shit, bro.
I forgot his name completely, man.
Looks like a Rajasthan Royals fan. Now let's move to Yatharth. Yatharth, your third pick.
It's Moeen Ali.
Now, this is an interesting team. and maybe let's see how this will go and how Yatharth will build on this particular team. Now let's move on to Revanshu. Revanshu, your third choice.
Babar Azam.
Oh, finally, the Pakistani T20 prodigy. So let's move on to Sanjay. Sanjay, your third choice.
Wait a second. It's difficult to choose now. Ben Stokes.
Nice. Naman will be disappointed here, but let's see. Now let's move on to Ashish. Ashish, your third choice.
Kageshwar Rabada.
Oh,
Come on, yaar.
oh. Looks like Ashish is keeping track of all the case. So now the last owner in round 3, Varun, your third choice.
Pat Cummins.
Cool.
So Warner and Cummins in the same team. So this looks like, oh man. Now let's quickly move on to round 4. And Nikhil, it's your turn to pick your fourth choice.
Well, fourth choice is Johnny Bello.
Oh shit.
Ho. So Nikhil is going with overseas dominant strategy. So let's see how that will work for him. So now Yatharth, it's your turn to pick your fourth choice.
Is Ravindra Jadeja picked?
Yes.
Yeah, he's picked.
I'll go with Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Nice one, man. Nice one. I was wondering why Varun didn't pick him so far. So
Yeah, I did not really want him.
So okay. So now let's move to Naman. Naman, your fourth choice.
Harshal Patel.
Did I hear Harshal Patel?
Yes.
Okay. That's an interesting pick. So now let's move on to Romit. Romit, your fourth choice.
Amit Mishra.
Oh man.
Nice.
Looks like Romit is trying to cover all the bases one by one. That's a great strategy. Now let's move on to Vaibhav. Vaibhav, your fourth choice.
Yeah. So can I pick a player who was unavailable for this auction but is currently an international player?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So Ian Healy's son-in-law, Mitchell Stark. It's Mitchell Stark. Yeah.
Finally, first overseas for Vaibhav. So now let's move on to Varun.
Surya Kumar Yadav.
No, Surya Kumar is already man.
Already picked.
Okay, Mohammad Siraj.
Oh God. Oh.
Oh. Now let's move on to Anuj. Round 4. Anuj.
Ishan Kishan.
Nice one, dude. Nice one.
Even I forgot his name. So now let's move on to Ashish. Ashish, your fourth pick.
Nitish Rana.
Nice.
After this round, Deep, can we just or after the next round, can we just have a break and analyze all of us?
Yes. After round 5, we will have a break. So now Ashish has picked Nitish Rana. So then Revanshu.
Every time my turn is coming last, I don't understand what is happening. So my pick will be Chahal.
Probably you need to use your Joker card nicely.
I think that is available after round 6.
Yes, from round 6 onwards. Now the last in this particular round, Sanjay.
I would like to go for Faf du Plessis.
Nice one, man. Nice one. So now we are moving to round 5. So after this, we will have a break. So in round 5, the first player to go is Sanjay.
Oh, wait. 1 second. Deepak Chahar.
अरे यार नहीं यार.
Nice. So second one, Varun. Your
Indian
turn.
decor.
Oh, I was waiting for this one. So looks like Varun.
कौन है?
कौन सा लिया?
Who's it?
Indian decor.
Oh,
So now Vaibhav, it's your choice to pick your 5th player.
yeah, Mr. Schoolboy Karan.
Who?
Sam Karan.
Sam Karan.
Nice. So now it's Nikhil's turn.
Well, I'm going to take Mohammad Shami.
Okay. Finally, Nikhil has gone for Indian player. Now it's Revanshu's turn.
So I'll go with Varun Chakravarti.
Took my player, man. You took my player.
So probably Revanshu got his 4 Indian players. So let's see which overseas players he will get. So now Romit, it's your turn.
I'll go for Universe Boss.
Come on, yaar, Romit. I was just on to vote.
Nice choice. So Ashish, it's your turn.
Shimron it, man.
Yaar, this is not done, yaar.
Nice one, man. Now Yatharth, it's your turn.
I need just
Reevaluate.
Ravi Ashwin.
I knew you were gonna pick Ashwin. You would, man. Delhi की team बना रहे.
Now last 2 owners. So Anuj, it's your turn to pick your 5th candidate.
Avesh Khan.
Nice. And last guy, Naman.
KL.
Who?
KL Rahul.
KL Rahul.
Already picked, bro.
Already been.
Okay. Then Mayank Isipil.
Yeah.
Damn it, man.
Then Morris.
So round 5 is over. So we'll probably have a 2 minutes break, and then probably we can start with round 6. So remember, from round 6 onwards, you can use your Joker card.